Hello my boys, today I'll be recording a video with my voice for the first time. I've been doing this for a while, but the other videos wasn't successful, so I just decided to go on my VIP because it was so laggy. And if it's laggy right now, I'm really sorry. It's just because I don't have a really good computer. And yeah, I'll just be getting right into the video now, so sit back and relax and try to enjoy this video. But, oh, there it is. Nom, 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 nom. Take off time. Hello. Hello. Does my mouse even work? There's something wrong with that. There we go, that's better, isn't it? Let's try to have a good landing for the fans. Well, I don't have a lot of fans, so yeah, rip me. I know people are better than me in building, but I just try my best and try to have fun. So should you guys. Voila! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. And share this video to your friends if you can. So, and yeah. Bye, Fadsy.